Oh, it's cold. Anyway, welcome back. Now we drive. Part 5. 5? 5 it is, yes. Part 5. Come out early this morning. It's just, what is it, 20 past 8. It's fresh. It's like 0 degrees. But with the bit of rain coming in this afternoon, I didn't want to wait because there's lots I want to get done today. A few of the niggly little jobs that I need to get done to start to really start to see the end of this project, because I can't wait to drive this car. I really can't. So let's have a quick walk around about the things I want to get done in this particular episode. I figured out from yesterday where actually, big shout out to Manic Motorheads, a really cool guy in the US. He's never replied to one of my messages, but hey ho, that's what happens. But watching one of his videos, I figured out where this fanfare horn goes, and it fitted on the inside of the front carrier bar. That's all connected correctly. Just do them up. Just walking quickly around here. I've got, obviously these just loosely put on, but we're going to get the inner front wheel covers in as well. There's some covers that go on the back. This is the back left wheel cover, and there's some other panels that go on the back, so I'm going to probably jack the back of the car up and get those on. So let's get cracking. Let's get these stuff on the car so we can start to get close to the end. Come on. These inner wings, because it's been sitting in my garage for a while, it became a little bit misshapen. But these, I'm trying to think the size. So there's two proud threaded bolts that stick out just here. Oops, stick my torch back on. There we go. Just here and here. They're 10mm like nylon plastic parts, and then you've got quite a few of these 8mm metal bolts, metal screws just dotted around the gaff. There's one more push rivet, plastic one. I did have it in my hand, but it dropped and I can't find it, which is a real pain in the bum. But this is all done now. Oh, and let me show you just 2 bits under here which I had to do. So if you remember from video number part 2, the underfloor, which I put in a couple of sessions ago, just had to take these 2 off here and here, and let's have a look so I can get this in my, here and here, and then one just here as, where is it? Yeah, that one there as well. So I had to take, you see it? Yeah, you can see that. So there are 3 more there. So that's nice and solid. I'm not going to flap about when I get this bad boy on the road. So yeah, that's part done. It's pretty straightforward, as I say, because it was misshapen. It was just a little bit fiddly to get in, but I would, if anyone putting these inner wings in, I would recommend making sure you seat these first 2 in. Once that's in position, then all the holes kind of line up pretty well. So quick update, been quite busy. I don't know if you can see I've got the headlights both fitted up. It's one real unfortunate situation. One of the arms, the plastic arms, actually fits off of the headlight, has snapped off. I'm trying to figure out if I can get either some kind of repair kit or fix it in some way. It's solid, it sits in there fine, but it's just really unfortunate. And they're not cheap, let me tell you. They are 200 quid best on eBay for a second-hand part, and I daren't even ask Mini how much they are brand new. A couple of bits under the car, there's 2 plastic parts that went on just below the rear wheel brakes. They've been fitted, pretty boring, 6 bolts, that's done. Both underpans are done, both inner plastic inner wings, or the inner linings are done as well. So I'm now going to tackle the front protection system and the foam that goes on the carrier bar. So let's get cracking with that. It's quite funny actually looking back at some of my old videos because I was so naive coming into this, as I've never really I've never done a project like this before, and keep going back to the BMW Mini's kind of parts area, which is called realoem.com, and watching videos and looking at diagrams, given that basically, like I said, this was like a jigsaw puzzle for me from the start, and I had to put it together, given it was all taken off. Unlike a few of my earlier projects, which were like wings and bumpers and bits and pieces, it was all pretty straightforward. You took it off the broken one, you knew where the bolts went, and you put it back on. Simple. But this has been a real learning experience for me. And I remember this particular part, which I thought was like some kind of window washer situation. This was the pedestrian protection system that goes inside the foam padding that goes on the front carrier bar. It's quite funny, and this is like a stark reminder of how far I've come. Not very far in retrospect, but still, my Mini knowledge is somewhat greater than it was a few weeks back. So just as you can see, yeah, 2 plugs on each end of this protection system goes inside the foam, fits quite nicely. I'm hoping, I'll have a look online, but I'm hoping it goes around this way, because it kind of, you see where the 2 holes are, yeah, to here, and pretty much just, in fact identical to the other end. So let's get this on the car. You have to be real careful with this because it's made of foam. I'm hoping I've got these lined up now correctly. They clicked in nicely. Got a bit of play just here. And a little bit there. And they should be lined up, which is quite nice because I've got the toe hook which goes in there, so that must be in the right space. So another job done. Fantastic. Huh? Looking good. A little earlier we were talking about where this relay goes, and on Real OEM it showed that there were 2 screw holes that actually fitted to part of the body, and for the life of me I've been spending the last 10 minutes looking at it thinking, where could it fit? And there's these 2 little lugs here, and it actually fits. It fits in here and slides across, and sits nicely onto the headlight frame. So happy days. That's another one I can tick off, because that was really annoying me. And the actual Mini the Mini documentation on Real OEM, and also there's there's a couple of sites there, but they were causing me a bit of just to misguide me. But that's good. That's nice and solid now, and there's a little click arm just here. Let me get a bit closer. Just here, where it actually clicks into. So this fits in here, moves across, solid. Voila. So we just fitted this air duct, which let me tell you, it was really tough, because I don't think it actually is supposed to be on before the radiator gets put on, and it was a real bummer to get through this little gap. But anyway, we got it through with a little bit of jiggery pokery. This is now on, all fitted, ready for. I've got another air duct that goes in here for the brakes. Unfortunately, 2 of the lugs were slightly bent, and they wouldn't fit in, so I've got to buy 2 new air ducts, which I've just ordered. Yeah, we're really marching on today. I'm pretty happy. Well, that's a wrap for today, I think. Got to go to Mini, got to buy these air ducts. Also, I've got to get a couple of, there's a headlight adjustment nut that's broken. As you can imagine, it's going to happen. So that I'm going to do that. But great progress today. Got loads of little them fiddly bits done. Headlights are in pretty much. Front carrier, protection system, etc., etc. So we're nearly getting there. So part 5's done. Thank you so much for joining us, and I'm going to try and put another one up tomorrow if I can, if the parts have come in quick enough, and hopefully I can get it off the jack stands and maybe go for a little spin. That'd be great. Come on. Thank you so much. This is Now We Drive. See you next time. Remember, press the subscribe button and maybe watch some of these videos that are on screen now. But yeah, see you again soon.